Good morning, freight broker family. Today I want to come to you and share some great news with you. Even through all of the adversity, even when we were fighting inflation, we got record fuel prices going on right now. And there are some people out there that don't make any excuses. They keep going regardless of the adversity that face. And one of those people are Wanda Berry of Translite Freight Solutions. I met Wanda a few months ago. She became a member of our program, and she was different. She had an attitude of, I am going to get this done no matter what. And she's been going through the numbers in her business, going through the processes, and it has worked out for her. She has moved over $15,650 worth of loads in a 2-week period of time. So I want to give Wanda Berry a super big congrats and wish her well on her journey and let her know that I'm super excited for her. And I think this is just the beginning for you, Wanda. And we're looking forward to you doing great things in the business. What I want all of you to know is that the freight broker business is a tough business, just like any other business. But it's not something that you cannot get through. It's not a business that you can't, if you were willing to put your head down and go to work, be successful in. But it is about working. It is about putting in the hard work, the long hours sometimes, getting customers and moving loads. If you do that, if you put your head down and go to work, you can get some outstanding results. We're talking about a new freight broker moving over $15,000 worth of loads in a 2-week period of time. And I'm only talking about what she sent in as verification. She may have even moved more than that. We're going to talk to Wanda. I'm going to ask Wanda, I haven't asked her yet, to come on our Super Tuesday business meeting that's coming up this Tuesday. And she will share a story, hopefully, so you can maybe learn something from her experience. So again, I want to give Wanda a big super congrats on her achievement and wish her well in the future. And Wanda, because you've completed our program, our success challenge, of course, we'll be sending you out a full refund for the cost of your training program. We send out refunds for the cost of the training program for anybody who goes in and complete the training program, get your business set up, get your first customer, and move your first load. We do that as an incentive. We know that it's a tough job to get your freight broker business established, get set up, and move that first load. So we like to give refunds when we have students that go out and do the hard work. So Wanda, we'll be putting that check in the mail over the weekend. Enjoy. That's all I have for you today. If you're interested in learning more about the freight broker business, I'll leave a free link in the description. It's the 5-video series, and it's titled How the Load Movement Process Works. It'll give you a chance to come into the office with me and watch over my shoulder as I move loads, talk to shippers and carriers. That way you can get a better understanding of how the business works. And then if you're interested in learning more about how a freight broker transitions from a part-time freight broker to a full-time freight broker, I'll leave a free video right here. So until the next time, I wish you the very best in your life and business. See you at the top, because the bottom is much too crowded.